Violinisti, so today we're going to do This Old Man. So this old man, let's just do a quick check as we usually do, a little chat. So we've got a treble clef, then we got a 4/4. What does that mean? That means 4 crotchets in every bar. 4 crotchets in every bar. So do we have any quavers in this piece? Let's have a quick check. Yes, we do. Okay, we got quavers. You can see the last 2 notes of the first line for those that are in the course. So we've got 2 quavers on the first line, and we've got several quavers on the second line. So we've got several quavers. That means instead of 4 crotchets in every bar, it's just easiest for us to count 8 quavers in every bar. So we have the metronome at 70, and that means that we'll hear 8 clicks of the metronome in every bar. Okay. Now, having said that, also watch out, there are going to be some quavers, and so as we explained also several times in the course, it's better to do have them distributed at the point and at the frog and all the other exercises that we do over in the academy. Also at the very end, just watch out, at the piece you've got 2 little dots. What does that mean? So that once you finish, you have to go all the way back to the beginning and repeat it, okay? So just watch out for that. Apart from that, try to use as much bow as possible, stay relaxed, and remember this is always your arm, the engine of the sound, and you're painting, okay? Like a painter, so be very delicate and very light like a butterfly, okay? All right, we're ready to go. Let's put a count in.